Hey, how's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use clay.com to build a completely free lead list of local business emails, basically for completely free, other than maybe a few cents for OpenAI credits. So I'm going to show you the prompt that you're going to use and also how to actually set it up step by step in clay.com. It's a pretty simple 3-step process, so you should be able to get it without any problems. All credit to Matthias Powell for the idea. I saw it on LinkedIn, and I thought it was a really good idea that a lot of you guys can find useful. So all credit to him for the idea. And yeah, let's get right into it. So basically, you're going to go to clay.com, and when you're creating a new table, you're going to go to find local businesses using Google Maps, and then you're going to adjust whichever one you want to use. So just we can do, for example, we'll do coffee shops in Franklin Township, New Jersey. Okay, then we'll set the radius. We'll go like here, and then we'll type in coffee shops, and then Franklin Township. Okay, so this is just one example that you can do. And then number of results, the maximum you could pull on the first request is 200, and then after you can add more. You're going to create a new table. All right, now it's going to actually go and fetch all the coffee shop information. It's going to get you the name, and then the address, phone number, reviews. This, isn't as important unless you want to use it in your email copy. The website, which is what we're going to use, and then a description. So, right here we just got 17. And then if you want to fetch more, you can fetch more. And yeah. So now, right, you want to get the first email address from the website. So we're going to be using the website. And so far, we haven't used any Clay credits, right? Keep in mind. So you're going to go here. You're going to copy and paste this. And this document's going to be in the link in the description, so you can easily just copy and paste it. You're going to use Clayagent, mission, add this, website. Okay. And then you're going to make sure that you're using the right model. So 3.5 is okay. Save and run. So now it's going to get the emails from the company, from the website. All right. Usually for local businesses, like the ones that say like sales at Joe's Pizzeria or something like that, or for coffee shops, it might be something else. Those are the best ones to contact these people. Now, this is completely not true for like bigger brands, like e-commerce brands or SaaS companies. You don't want to target those. But for smaller coffee shops, that's what tends to work a little more, just because these owners, they don't have like LinkedIn profiles, and they, talk and have linked, that they're the owner of Joe's Pizzeria, right? That's just not common. That's not how people do stuff. So this is going to be the best way to get their information. Now, some of these are some pretty big companies. Obviously, Starbucks, Dunkin', those are bigger companies. But if you focus on the smaller ones, like this one, I'm guessing is a smaller company, then you can see, yeah, this is like a one-off place, right? So this is something they would want to see. And then the hidden grounds at gmail.com even, right? This is definitely a smaller one. This is definitely a smaller one. Obviously, you're not going to be reaching out to Dunkin', Starbucks, which is a majority of the coffee shops in that region. But you could definitely filter that out. So here we have, 5, or you're not going to be reaching out to Starbucks, but 1, 2, or 3 email addresses. And basically from there, you're going to go here, browse, and you're going to fill in this prompt to filter the emails. Okay, and then you're going to go to AI, and you're going to go here, paste, make sure you fill in the variables, title, website. Result. Slash, let me just find this one. So it's going to be here, and then the result. Okay, and then this is basically just going, I'm trying to determine which email address would be best. And just making sure that we get the prompt well. So then you run that. And the reason for this one as well is, you see how there's multiple ones here? It's going to bring back only one of them so that we can reach out to the best one possible. So here we have, this one, and this one. The other ones, obviously, we're not going to be reaching out to Starbucks and Dunkin', but that just because I put in coffee shops. For other industries, it might work much better. And then you basically have a completely free lead list, right? Obviously, for these ones, it doesn't show up because it is big companies. Like, they don't just put their email on their website. But these three are very good emails that you can reach out to for coffee shops. Obviously, you can use this for car dealerships. You can use these for pizzerias, for literally any local business, for places that sell tiles. Like, literally, the possibilities are endless. Specifically for the people who don't have LinkedIn profiles attached to their company website, right? Because that's what this is really for. And also, it's a big plus that it's completely free. You don't have to spend any Clay credits. This was probably like a fraction of a cent to get to use the OpenAI key. So it's very affordable. And yeah, like I mentioned, this is the prompt. It's going to be in the Google Doc in the description below. You can literally just copy and paste it and build a lead list right now for free. And once again, credit to Matthias for bringing this idea to light. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. And if you have any questions, I'll be answering them in the comments. Thanks.